Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to see how to center our text using HTML and CSS. So first of all, create a folder in whichever code editor you are. Then inside that folder, create an HTML file, give it a name, whatever you want. Make sure it is .html or .htm. Then also create a style.css file. Now let's go into HTML and we'll link this file here, CSS file. So we'll say style.css. Let's change the document name to center center the text. Okay, now what we'll do is inside this body we'll add a heading. This text is at the exact center. Okay, so this is the text that we want to center right now. This is where the text is at. Okay, it is not at the exact center, so this is what we are going to work at now. So now this much was it for HTML part. You can see it's pretty basic. So now we'll go into CSS. Now we'll target the body first. We'll remove all the pre-style, margin, padding, whatever we have, we'll remove all of it. And also we'll add a box sizing of border box. Okay, now you can see all the margin that was there on each side and every side, all is gone now. So this element just sits there without any pre-styles. Okay, now again what we'll do is we'll add a background color here and let's say black. Now as we know that the same color, so it's not visible anymore, so we'll target h1 and we'll say color, that is white. We'll save it. Yeah, now color is white. Next property we'll add is, let's increase the font size, let's say 10 rem. Let's see if that's big enough. This is very big, so we'll just decrease it. Let's make it 5 rem and let's check it now. Yeah, this looks good. Let's try it even smaller. Let's do 3 rem. That's equal to about 30 pixels. Okay, this is good. Now what we'll do is here we'll add text align property. So let's add text align of center. Now it will move at the center of a page, but we don't want it here. We want it at the exact center, that is exact 50% of our web page. So what we'll do here is pretty simple. We'll add position property, that is absolute. If you guys have any doubts regarding this position property, click on the I button, learn it. It's very simple, you can understand it very easily. Now let's move it from the top. We want to move it at the bottom. From the top we want to be it at the 50%. From the top and from the bottom we want it to be exact center, so it will be 50-50, right? 50%. And same from the left and right, we want it to be 50-50. So what we'll do here is we'll write top and give it a value of 50%. Okay, and then same again left, we'll give it a value of 50%. Now why did we use top and left? Again, if you check out the video of this position property, you'll understand it. It's pretty basic. Now if you check out, you can see what we wanted has not happened, and the text is lying somewhere here, which is not 50 at all. Why did this happen? Because when you apply top 50%, it moves from the top 50%, but it does not places that element at the 50th percent. So it places the element below that 50%. And same happens with the left. When it moves 50% from the left and then it starts its elements. When the 50% value is done, after that the element starts. So to remove this, we are going to use another property which is called as transform. And here we'll add translate. We have to change both the axes, x-axis and y-axis. So these are the two axes that we're going to focus on. So we'll write translate x and then we'll write minus 50%. So let's see one by one what happens. So now you can see it has moved here, and then we'll try again with y-axis. So we'll say translate y and then we'll write minus 50%. We'll save it. Now you can see our text is at the center. If you guys want to check it out using inspect element, you can do it. This text is now sitting at the exact center. Now you can write this like this also. Let's say translate, and here we'll write minus 50% and minus 50%. This also works. Sorry, I'll add a comma here. Yeah, sorry, this also works. Now also the text is again sitting at the exact center of our web page. So this was the outcome that we wanted to see. Now there are also many other ways in which you can center our text, and we'll see them in the later videos, but this was the easiest method that you can use to center a specific text at the center of the web page. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.